Suresh Garima, carrying 97,422 metric ton crude oil, safely crossed Strait of Hormuz on 18th April. The vessel with 31 Indian seafarers on board is expected to arrive at Mumbai on 22nd April 2026. In the past 48 hours, two Indian vessels, VLCC Sanmar Herald and bulk carrier Jag Arnav, reported a firing incident while transiting Strait of Hormuz, following which they returned to the Persian Gulf. There have been no injury to any crew reported. The ministry is in close and continuous communication with the crew, the owners of both the vessels, and continuously monitoring the situation. The safety and security of Indian seafarers is our top priority, and ministry is monitoring the situation on continuous basis and assured to extend all possible help. The situation continues to be closely monitored in coordination with Ministry of External Affairs and relevant stakeholders. DG Shipping Control Room has handled 6,918 calls and more than 14,605 emails since activation. In the past 24 hours, 25 calls and 135 emails have been received. The Ministry, through Director General of Shipping, has facilitated the safe repatriation of more than 2,563 Indian seafarers so far, including 25 seafarers in last 24 hours from various locations across Gulf region. Port operations across India remain normal with no congestion reported at any of the port. The Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways continues to coordinate with Ministry of External Affairs, Indian missions and maritime stakeholders to ensure welfare and uninterrupted maritime operations. Thank you.
Thank you, Mandeep ji. Now we'll take updates from Randeep ji.